This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pender. Stunning views of the oceanfront beaches, city and north end of Virginia Beach from this luxurious 2-bedroom, beautifully updated home that features a bright and open floor plan. Gorgeous newer kitchen with eat-up bar area and pass-through to dining room, lovely formal living room and adjacent sitting area and wonderful master bedroom suite. 24-hour security, resident manager, heated pool, cable, water, HVAC, water heater and taxes are all included in the fee. Enjoy the sunrise from the spacious custom tiled balcony. For more information, review the details below.